Do your pores look so big they feel like tiny craters on your face? Is your skin starting to droop, looking tired, saggy, and dull no matter what products you use? What if I told you the secret to tighter, youthful skin might be hiding in your kitchen, and it costs less than $1? Hey everyone! Welcome back to Essential Cures, where we dive into the most effective and natural remedies for your everyday health and beauty concerns. Today, we are going to show you one of the best-kept secrets for skin tightening and minimizing open pores: fenugreek seeds. This simple seed, often used in cooking, is actually an ancient skincare powerhouse, full of vitamins, antioxidants, and natural compounds that can give your skin a visible lift, smooth out those enlarged pores, and restore a youthful glow, all naturally. Here's what you'll need to make this simple, skin-lifting fenugreek mask at home. 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, half a cup of clean, filtered water, a blender or mortar and pestle, a small bowl for mixing, and either a clean brush or your fingers for application. Step by step, here's how to prepare the mask. Soak the fenugreek seeds in water overnight, or for at least 6 to 8 hours. Drain the water in the morning, and put the soaked seeds into your blender or use a mortar and pestle. Blend into a smooth, thick paste. It should be creamy enough to stick to your skin. Optional tip: for extra hydration and a soothing effect, mix in a few drops of rose water or aloe vera gel. Now let's apply it the right way for maximum results. Start with a freshly washed face, remove all dirt, oil, and makeup. Apply the paste evenly, focusing on problem areas: cheeks, nose, jawline, anywhere pores are visible or skin feels loose. Let the mask sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel it gently tightening. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Use this 2 to 3 times a week to see noticeable improvements in skin texture and firmness. So, why is fenugreek so effective for your skin? Let's break down the science behind the beauty. Tightens and lifts. Fenugreek contains natural mucilage and powerful antioxidants that improve skin elasticity and firmness, giving you that natural facelift effect. Minimizes open pores. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties help calm skin and shrink those stubborn open pores over time. Brightens and heals. Loaded with vitamin C and niacin, fenugreek promotes collagen production, fades acne scars, and evens out skin tone. Oil control. It regulates sebum production, making it ideal for oily or combination skin. Bye-bye greasy T-zone. Gentle but effective. Unlike harsh chemical peels, this remedy is completely natural and soothing, making it safe for sensitive skin types too. So, if you've been battling large pores, sagging skin, or just want to bring back your skin's youthful glow, give this natural fenugreek face mask a try. You don't need expensive creams or painful procedures, just a handful of seeds and some consistency. Try this and I guarantee, you'll be so amazed by the results, you will come back to this video to share your experience. Whether it's smoother skin, tighter pores, or that fresh, youthful glow, the transformation speaks for itself.